Phrasal verbs unleashed, look down on, explained. Hello learners. Welcome back to our journey through English language learning. Today, we're diving into phrasal verbs. Specifically, we're exploring the world of look down on. What does it mean, and how is it used in everyday English? Stick around to unravel the mystery of this phrasal verb. Let's start by deciphering what it means to look down on someone or something. Despite what you might think, it has nothing to do with literally looking down. Instead, this phrasal verb means to regard or treat someone as inferior or to view them with a sense of superiority. It generally conveys a negative attitude, suggesting disrespect or disdain for the person or thing being looked down on. Now that we know what it means, let's see how it works in sentences. Remember, like many English phrasal verbs, look down on is transitive, meaning it always needs an object, the person or thing you're looking down on. Here's an example. Sarah tends to look down on people who don't share her political beliefs. In this sentence, Sarah is showing a sense of superiority over people with different political beliefs. Just as with regular verbs, look down on can also be used in its negative form or in questions. For the negative form, you can say something like, despite his success, he doesn't look down on those who are less fortunate. For questions, you might ask, why do some people look down on others just because they have different lifestyles? Understanding synonyms is a great way to broaden your vocabulary. Some common synonyms for look down on include disdain, despise, sneer at, or scorn. For example, she tends to scorn people who don't follow the latest fashion trends, shares a similar meaning to she tends to look down on people who don't follow the latest fashion trends. That brings us to the end of our dive into the phrasal verb, look down on. We've explored its meaning, how to use it in sentences, and even some synonyms. Remember, practice is key when learning new phrasal verbs. Try to incorporate look down on into your conversations and see the improvement in your English language skills. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.